Just like a dragon crawling around the mountain, the road has 68 turns in shorter than 7 kilometers. It is the road with the most turns you will ever take. The Fast and Furious lies in the road with 68 turns in Kanglang, Yunnan. Kanglang is also richly endowed by nature. In the wild or at garden, the paper flowers blossom in the wind. With high-quality water environment, Kanglang is favored by Kanglang Fish, the aquatic elf. Kanglang Fish needs to live in the water with high quality. Fushan Lake, Yushi, is the original habitat. After the difficulties in cultivation and breeding have been tackled, Kanglang Fish may breed and prosper, and get rid of the edge of extinction. It has dark gray back, pale fins, and silver body. Within its slender body hides unparalleled tenderness and deliciousness. After the belly is ripped, roll up each piece of belly. The fish will have wings, or pinch head and tail, and rest the fish at its back. The ingredients is outstanding enough to cook it in a simple way. Due to different oil temperature, fish skin is shaped, or it turns yellow in the sizzling sound. Eventually, they become a delicious and tender dish. Fry the fish in a pan over low heat until the skin is crisp. Kanglang fish will have a completely different flavor. Maillard reaction creates brown color. Add water and dark soy sauce for the braised soup. Fish into the pot, and the soup boils with rumble. Sweet, salty, and fresh flavors seep into the fish, and pour the sauce, ruddy and tender, making your mouth watery. Stir-fry a variety of spices. The old sauce fermented with soybeans and broad beans as base. Fish into the red soup, following with peppercorns. Stewing the soup with vigorous fire. Concentrate the soup. The Kanglang fish stewed with old sauce has a mellow taste. In the local copper pot, pour and boil water. Add green onion and ginger to remove fish smell and simmer. What seems simple and common is a pot of delicious and savory food. Kanglang fish is born to swim against the stream. Its destination is the delicacy that makes people excited. In the harmony and collision of flavors, such a small delicacy might give you the courage to confront immense waves.